They don't really rap though. I kill it when I'm turn up and I kill it when I'm natural. I be chillin' butt naked in the castle. And bitch, I'm about to blow like a birthday candle. Boss Bay, all day. And it's fuck what a hater gotta say. Boss Bay, all day. Pretty brown.
What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite Boss Bay Ty, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own product labels on your Cricut machine. So for all of my products, I make my own labels with my Cricut Maker, and this is what they look like. This is for my glow oil, my lip scrub, and I changed the product label for my body whip a little bit. I made it a little bit smaller, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. You know, it just saved me so much time doing that way, instead of just ordering the labels from somebody else. Like, you would have to wait, and sometimes they're not just like how you want them. So this gives you the opportunity to change up some things right then and there if you don't like it. So let's get started. Alrighty, so now we're going to open up our Cricut app. Okay, and then we're going to select new projects at the top. And once we get that done, I already have my logos and stuff added to my Cricut projects. So I just click on the logos that I want to use today. And I'm going to be doing my sugar scrubs and my hair serum and my body whip. And you can also purchase Get the Fuck On shirts on luxuryaccents.net, period. So once those are uploaded into our project, we have to click them individually to ungroup the projects. So now that we ungroup the projects, we have to size them and how we want them on our products. So I've already have my sizing down because I usually do one individually. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do all of my products together. So I'm sizing them to the size that I would like to fit on my product bottles. So that's for my glow whip. Alrighty, and I did struggle a little bit with this. I had to redo some, so, you know, take your time. Don't rush this process, you know. You got to take your time. So now that we have these sized, okay, 1 second. Yeah, that glow serum was giving me a little bit of problems. Do you hear me, honey? And then I messed up at the end. Okay, so now that we have that done, we send that image to our printer. And what the Cricut app is going to do is send it to the printer so it can be able to go to the Cricut machine. Alrighty. And then we select the sticker paper. I do have the sticker paper down below if you want to get this exact sticker paper that I have. And we place it on the map for our Cricut. I also have the mats down below too. And then we start our Cricut. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3 with the Cricut. I love my Cricut Maker. I got mine from Walmart. And if you don't want to pay the full price right then and there, they do have installment payments. So that's a wonderful thing. But it makes it so much easier for me to do my products labeling and anything else that I want to do. The Cricut is just, it's wonderful. I can't rave enough about my Cricut. So yes, I'm starting with my Glow Sugar Scrub products, and I put that sticker on there. You have to be careful because you don't want it to be all janky looking, you know. And so that's done. Look at that. Cute. And then I have my glow whip. Yeah, this one gave me a little bit of problems too. I had to kind of redo it over for the sake of the video. I just cut it down to when I finished it. And then we got the Glow Body and Hair Serum. Yes, honey, this one, I love my products. Do you hear me? And I just love my packaging and labeling. And I had to redo it a couple times. So don't get discouraged. Redo it until you like it, okay? All right. We putting that on there. Look at that. Just easy. You know, you just got to take your time. And look at that. I have all of my products labeled nicely, baby. Alrighty, now that that's finished and I've shown you all to create your product labels and you see how simple it is, I hope you all use this method because it allows you to have versatility with your products. You can switch up any time that you like. I feel like if you were to buy labels from somewhere else, you feel like you have to use all of those labels because you bought them, you know? This method allows you to switch up any time that you would like. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to learn next. All right, and I hope you all continue the journey of becoming your own boss. I know it gets hard sometimes. Believe me, it's times where you're going to want to give up, but don't. Please don't. And I hope I can continue to give you helpful information that you can utilize in your business. So until next time, YouTube, peace out.
They don't really rap though. I kill it when I'm turn up and I kill it when I'm natural. I be chillin' butt naked in the castle. And bitch, I'm about to blow like a birthday candle. Boss Bay, all day. And it's fuck what a hater gotta say. Boss Bay, all day.